Okay, time for eat again. 385. So we are at Clear 85, and here you can order with the phone, like app. So you use the QR code, and then you scan the QR code with the camera normally. And then it will come to this side here. Then I will order here. Then we'll see what we can order. I will put in the screen. You will see in the screen later. So we have many things you can do. If you want some pork belly, I click pork belly. Maybe you take two of them. Okay. Maybe we take 3. And then we will take. Normal pork belly with no sauce. I'll take 3 of them, yeah. Then we can go down for take pork loin, we can take 2 also. And then we go for beef, ribeye beef. We can take 3 of them. And then we will take roasted blade. We can take 2 of them also. So let's see. Take 2 kimchi, huh? Okay, 2 kimchi we take. I will take 1 butter also. Yes. We will take some beef ribeye mala. Take 2 from there. Now the sauce came and then the soup came here now. Yeah, right. So I will take 2 pepper beef also here. Let me see. And then I will make the order. I have the basket. I click the basket, and then we'll see everything is 0 here. And you just click the order. Everything is in Thai, so it's a little bit hard to see, but you get used to it when you've been here a couple of times. Okay. So now the order is done. Now we can go get some drinks and other foods, and then wait for the food to come. Okay? They gave us this cup. In this one you're gonna use only this, and you fill it up as many times as you want. We have the one with the mushroom soup, and then we have the one clear one. Hey, order it here. Okay. Thank you. So you have the white one, is the pork one. The black one is the beef. Small mini slice. I ordered 3 of these. It's like the spicy sauce on top. Marination directly there. So here we have the pork ones for this one. They are very thin, so this one you can use for cooking very fast. Yeah. The kimchi and the butter. Because I take a little bit butter, so it goes a little bit faster. Yes. white one is the pork, and then you have the beef one. It's in the black tray. This was the ribeye slices, this one. Super thin ribeye slices. Yes. Food is cooked. Okay, and then what you need, you just order more and more with your phone. Okay, so you get some drinks, then we need to have some sauce, and then we take some sushis also. I have to start with the sushi a little bit, then continue with the barbecue. I come here always with the Pepsi. Thai Pepsi called East. Sometimes I will put some slurry, but not this time. This time not slurry. Here we have the sushi section. Take the sushi a little bit later. Now we have the sushi. A little bit soy sauce. It's good. And we can pick some beef here also. This one I usually take a little bit kimchi. So kimchi. A good one. So here we have some cream dessert. I don't know how to explain this one, but it's a funny way of me comes like it. This is full of spongy air. Okay, that was it. Now I'm full, and if you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, man. Cheers, guys.